All cars number 1!
Guys, another release. Samahan niyo ako dito sa 2018 Fortuner V pre-release inspection again tayo. DRL working, projector headlights working. Kung makikita niyo yung pintura, super shiny. Dito sa all cars, we use high quality of detailing material. So, di namin kayo tinitipid, guys. Meron siyang front sensors. Ayan. Kasi this is 2018. So, ayan, guys. Si Raymart, pinupunasan na niya. Yung interior, Mart, pakita mo. Yung second row seats. Ayan. Etong tray na to, ang tawag dito? Foot matting. Nirequest ni client. So, no problem. Sabihin mo lang sa akin, Kevin, gusto ko ng ganito. Kevin, gusto ko ganyan. Basta kaya. Second row seats, done cleaning. Punta tayo sa likod, guys. All cars sticker, done. Etong likod, yung pinakamaganda talaga. I mean, ang ganda ng likod ng Fortuner because of its tail light, LED tail light. So, 2018 to, V to, power tailgate siya. Ayan. So, pwede mo siya i-stop, actually. Check natin yung third row niya. So, very spacious. Ito, pwede mo siya ibaba. Ganyan. If you want to put this down, ito lang gagawin niya. Ako. Ayan. Perfect. Tapos, if you want to close the tailgate naman, just push this button. Ayan. So, check natin engine bay. Guys, yung tires niya maganda. Makapal pa. Power seats, atras, abante, atras, abante. And also, of course, the retractable side mirrors. Close, open, working. Engine bay, guys. Na-change oil na to, napalitan na ng filter, na-scan na to. Final product, final finish, fully detailed, newly changed oil, filter bago, battery, all goods. Chinek namin mga fluids, all goods tayo dyan. Sir, I'll see you downstairs. I-release na po namin to. Naka-ready na yung ribbon. Guys, nagkakatapos lang natin mag-lunch. So, po-release na natin yung Fortuner. Ikasamahan nyo ako, picture taking tayo with the client.
All cars number 1!
Galing dito guys kay Sir Kevin ng All Cars. Pangatlong kuha ko na ngayon guys at ito yung kotse ko. Guys, kung gusto niyo bumili ng kotse or magbenta ng kotse kay Sir Kevin All Cars. And guys, so ang ganda oh. Satisfied client here.
Guys, another done deal, satisfied client. Boss Andre, thank you so much. Third time.
Thank you.